Hello kids. So today we are going to do a writing portion, okay? And in the writing section, I am going to tell you about the letter writing, that how to write letter. So basically, before moving further, I would like to tell you something about the concept of letter writing. Okay, so the concept of letter writing basically used to actually used to convey our message. Okay, and this is a written type of message. Obviously, see, in earlier times now what happened, there were no mobiles and also, and even at that time people used to convey their message by writing down letters. Okay, but right now the use of letter is not too popular, because we are using that WhatsApp, FB, Instagram, and so many social sites to convey our message, and even we are using phone to convey our message to our nearer and dearer one. So by for if I'm going to conclude it, that letter is a written message. Okay, and we write letter to person who are far away from us. Obviously, those who are not nearer to us, for informing them, what we do, we write letter to inform them. Now definitely with the help of letter we can convey our message clear as well as in a forceful manner. Forceful means that if I have to tell you about forceful, that if you are doing any kind of complaint, and if you wanted to inquire something, that means you are forcing somebody to give that kind of information. Okay, so this is the way, this is the things for which we write letter. So in English, okay, and basically you can say there are two types of letter. Okay, the main thing, formal and informal one. Formal and informal, even in Hindi, even in Sanskrit, even in Urdu, or you can say in any language subject, we follow the same thing. Okay, so in English we are having formal and informal letter. Formal letter, let me tell you about formal letter. Actually, we send formal letter to our higher authorities. That means when I have to convey my message to the, like, principal sir, chairman sir, or you can say to the police of SP, or to DM sir, anyone. Okay, you can say higher authority. In that case, what I am going to write, I am going to write down a formal letter. So see, basically formal letter means, you can say that we don't have personal connect with them, because I don't know the DM personally. Okay, I don't know the SP personally. That is why you can say it is a formal letter, because when we don't know somebody personally, in that case what we do, we write formal letter. Okay, like letter to the principal, letter to the chairman, letter to the editor also. Fine. Now, talking about the informal letter basically means it is a letter that we would write to, you can say, to our nearer and dearer one. That means if I am going to write I have to inform my friend for my birthday party, definitely the letter which I am going to write will be the informal letter, because I am having some personal connect with my friend. If I have to if I want some money from my father, okay, definitely what kind of letter I am going to write in that case, when I need some money and I am in some other place. In that case, I will write informal letter. Informal letter. Informal means, that means when we write letter to our nearer and dearer one, in that case what we write informal letter. Fine. So in writing, the most important thing is that whenever we are writing something, we have to follow a proper format. Without format we cannot write anything. Okay, for this I am having a format of the letter writing, informal letter writing. Okay, according to this we have to follow each and every step while writing down any letter. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing, that on the left hand side, on the left side of your sheet, of your notebook, what you have to write, you have to write down sender's address. That means your address. Okay, then leave a line, then write down the date. If suppose if you are writing down the letter today, in that case you have to mention the date of today. After that, leave a line, then salutation. Salutation means greeting, like dear father, dear mother, dear grandfather, like this. Hello, hi, hello mom, hello dad, like this. Okay, then body of the letter. Body of the letter means the message that you wanted to convey to your family and friends. Okay, this you have to write down. Either you can include 2 or 3 paragraphs, Okay, it's up to you, that it's depend on the you can say what letter wants, you can say what letter is demanding from you. Okay, after writing down this body of the letter, you have to do concluding remark. That means you have to conclude the letter by saying this, pay my regards to mummy, papa, like this. This is a concluding remark. Okay, after that you have to leave a line, then complimentary closure. Complimentary closure means your loving son, your loving daughter, your loving nephew, your loving niece. These types of words you have to use over here. Fine. After that, leave a line again, then signature line. Signature line means your name and signature. You can write it down over here. Okay, this is the format you have to follow according to that. See kids, one more thing, this is just a format. In reality, when you are writing down a letter, we don't write like this, sender's address, then colon, then write. No, it's not like that. In while writing the letter, you have to directly apply the things, because you have to remember that what I have to write down here. Here I have to write down the address. Only write down the address, like this. You can say Vasant Vihar, New Delhi, Vasant Colony. This is the address. Then with pin number. So mention over here. Then leave a line. Directly write down the date. Don't write date, DAT, colon, then write a no. What you have to do? You have to directly write down the date. Like suppose I am writing a letter today, then I will write the date of 2nd June 2020. Okay. Then again, don't write this salutation, then no. Directly dear father, dear mom, like this. Okay. Then directly body, that means the information that you wanted to convey. Then again, in place of this, you have to conclude the thing. So leave a line, then complimentary closure, that means your loving son, yours loving daughter, like this. Then signature. Okay, I'll tell you with the help of one question. See, I'm having that I wanted to convey you. See, actually the question is that Mr. Sharma's daughter Reena writes a letter to her grandfather telling him about the wedding they had attended. She describes the people, the food, write the letter to her. That means what happened? Actually, Reena wanted to write down a letter to, you can say, her grandfather regarding the wedding she attended. So for this, what we have to write down? We have to write down a letter, and the letter would be of which type? The letter would be of informal type, because that girl is writing a letter to her grandfather. Okay, because grandfather, with grandfather there is a personal touch. That is why. Okay, now see, now we have to follow the same format while writing the letter. Wait. See, on the left hand side, what I have written? I have written the address, complete address with pin number, then leave a line, then date, then leave a line, then salutation, dear father, dear, whatever the question demands. Okay, I have written dear Dadaji or Dada. You can write whatever you want. Then you have to write down the body of the letter. That means definitely you are going to start like this. How are you? I am fine. I hope the same for you, like this. Okay. Wait. Then coming to the next, again the same thing is over here. Then here, see, concluding remarks. Concluding remarks means you can say like pay my regards to Dadaji, Dadiji and other member of the family. This you can easily mention over there. Okay, this is the concluding remark. Then leave a line, then your loving granddaughter, then the name. This you have to mention at the end of the. So like this, I clear you that how you have to write down a letter and what type of format do you have to follow while writing the letter, any kind of letter. Okay, so please follow a proper format for writing any type of letter. I hope the concept of letter writing is clear now. Thank you.